Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Linear equations. An equation whose graph is a straight line. The variable has no exponents other than 1. Core form, ax plus b equals c. Worked example. Solve for x, 3x plus 5 equals 20. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Today we're covering linear equations. A linear equation is any equation where the variable has no exponents other than 1. No squares, no cubes, just a plain variable. The core form we'll work with is x plus b equals c. These are the backbone of algebra. So let's build up the full picture step by step. The entire goal of solving a linear equation is to get the variable by itself, to isolate it. We do that using inverse operations. If something is added to x, we subtract it. If x is multiplied by a number, we divide. The golden rule is whatever operation you apply to one side of the equation, you must apply to the other side. That keeps the equation balanced. Let's work through a concrete example. We want to solve 3x plus 5 equals 20. Looking at the left side, there are two things keeping x from being alone, the plus 5 and the coefficient 3 out front. We'll remove them one at a time. First, subtract 5 from both sides. On the left, plus 5 and minus 5 cancel out, leaving 3x. On the right, 20 minus 5 is 15, so now we have 3x equals 15. Next, divide both sides by 3 because 3 is multiplied by x, and division is its inverse. 3x divided by 3 is just x. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so x equals 5. Always check by substituting your answer back into the original equation. 3 times 5 plus 5 is 15 plus 5, which is 20. That matches the right side, so x equals 5 is confirmed correct. Let's go over the four most common mistakes. First, only applying an operation to one side. Always do the same thing to both sides. Second, trying to divide before clearing the addition or subtraction. Always handle addition and subtraction first. Third, sign errors are extremely common. Be careful whether you should add or subtract. And fourth, remember that 3x means 3 times x, not 3 plus x. Linear equations don't just appear as puzzles to solve, they also describe straight lines on a graph. The slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, which tells you how steep the line is, and b is the y-intercept, which is where the line crosses the vertical axis. For example, y equals 2x plus 1 has a slope of 2 and crosses the y-axis at 1. Here's the graph of y equals 2x plus 1. Notice it crosses the y-axis at 1, and it rises steeply. For every 1 unit you move to the right, the line goes up 2 units. That's what a slope of 2 looks like visually. Here's the full recap. A linear equation keeps the variable at exponent 1. No squares or higher powers. To solve, isolate the variable using inverse operations, always keeping both sides balanced. The order is clear addition and subtraction first, then multiplication and division. Always verify your answer by plugging it back in. And graphically, every linear equation in the form y equals mx plus b is a straight line where m controls the steepness and b tells you where it hits the y-axis. Master these ideas, and you have a solid foundation for all of algebra. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.